And we're keeping an eye on that storm system and what it could bring our region as we usher in 2021. Here's Kate. She's back now with that extended holiday forecast. Hey there.
Hey, Yuki. Yeah, a lot of moving parts in this forecast. We've got a few systems to watch. That storm that brought the snow to the Midwest, though, is what we talked about at the beginning of the broadcast. It's mainly going to miss us to the north and just bring a cold front through here on Thursday with a few showers. So we're not going to see the snow that came down in those areas. In fact, the next few storms for us look like pretty much complete rainmakers, all except for the chance for a little bit of ice in our far north and west suburbs on Friday. So starting out right now, certainly cold enough tonight for snow, but it is clear, it is dry, it is very chilly. We're down to 32 degrees, just a few patchy clouds. Winds are dying down. We're down about 5 miles an hour now, but it still feels like 27 when you factor in the wind chill, feeling about 5 degrees colder than it actually is. So here's the storm that brought all the snow over the Midwest. You can see as we zoom out, you can see a pretty typical comma shape with that storm. Here's the warm front, here's the cold front, and the center of the low up over Minneapolis. That's all going to lift into eastern Canada. So what we will get from this is the cold front passage, and that is early on Thursday. The next system brings rain on Friday, and it looks like it's trending a little bit later, mainly arriving by midday on Friday with the steadiest rain in the evening. So tonight's low is 22, partly cloudy, bitterly cold, even colder than normal. 27 is our normal low. Tomorrow's high 42, which is pretty much right on target, as I said, for the time of year. 41 is our average. Sun and clouds, not as windy as today. All in all, a better day than today, but still a chilly winter day. Precipitation chances near 80% Thursday and Friday. Rain chances both days, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. The rain will likely last into Saturday morning, and now we're watching another system on Sunday. It originally looked like that was going to stay suppressed to the south, so we had kept Sunday dry for the time being, but now shower chances look to be increasing on Sunday, so that is system number 3. So let's take a look at future weather. Tomorrow at this time is still dry. As that front approaches, you can see the real snow missing us to the north up around Montreal and into portions of Maine. We get the cold front passage Thursday morning, so we'll start New Year's Eve, the final day of 2020, thank goodness, with scattered showers in the morning into the midday hours. That then pushes south, and I do think we clear it out just in time to ring in the new year. We'll be between systems. It'll likely be dry at midnight. But here comes system number 2, and this is the strongest one. And what I want to show you here is the pink. Now, what you're seeing here is Friday morning. As the rain comes in, it's also going to be encountering cold air that surges in behind that cold front passage Thursday night into Friday morning. So temperatures at the surface will likely be right around freezing. And you know what happens when it rains onto a frozen surface? You get the threat for ice accretion, ice buildup as the rain starts to move in. So notice all the pink breaking out here even Friday afternoon across our northwest suburbs. This will likely start as a period of sleet or freezing rain and then change over just to plain rain. So while this is trending a little bit weaker, we're not looking at 1 to 3 inches so much anymore, more like a ½ inch to an inch of rain with this system. I am concerned about the potential for ice and slippery roads, mainly in our north and west suburbs here, Friday morning into the midday hours. Some of our models printing out over 1/10 of an inch of ice in cities like Reading and Allentown, possibly 2/10 in Mount Pocono. That is enough to cause some treacherous driving conditions on the roads New Year's Day, and this is mainly midday into the early afternoon. Then we have to look at the system for Sunday. So it originally looked like this was mainly going to stay to the south. It's now looking more and more likely that we will get a chance of rain throughout the day Sunday, but once again, mild enough that this is just rain. So 3 systems to watch. Cold front passage Thursday, bringing showers mainly early. It's dry from midnight, but then we've got rain to start 2021, and Friday is cold. Watch for that ice potential early. Saturday, we sneak a little bonus day in there. The morning is going to be very warm. It will turn colder in the afternoon, but Saturday turns out to be really nice. That's the day for outdoor plans.